Today I'm joined by Steve Lydeamore, who's the CEO from Anatara Lifesciences. Steve, welcome to the Morgans Network today. First time you've joined us. I wonder if we could start talking about Anatara. It was originally an animal health company and it's recently changed across to a human healthcare company. Do you want to tell us a little bit about the human healthcare project?
Yeah, thank you, Scott, and thank you for having me here today. You're correct. So Anatara started as a animal health company, listed in 2014. Successfully last year had the first animal health product registered with the APVMA for treating diarrhea in piglets. That's our area of focus is gastrointestinal disease. We're moving into the human health area, focusing this time on IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome, and inflammatory bowel disease.
Great. And you've recently released some proof of concept data. What was involved with that data?
Yeah, this is quite exciting for us because it gives us confidence that moving into the next stages, which we'll talk about shortly, we've shown that the anti-inflammatory and the anti-attachment characteristics of bromelain, which is in our animal health product, together with other key components that we've added, each of which is safe and has its own scientific and clinical evidence, is able to do one of three things, and that's to stop the bad bacteria from attaching to the gut wall and burrowing in, causing inflammation, and also to demonstrate that we're able to repair the gut lining. All three things are necessary to treat a person that has IBS or IBD.
So to get the product commercialised, what do you need to do and how long is it going to take?
We plan to focus on IBD initially with a mouse model, and we'll put our product into the mouse that has the simulated IBD and try and confirm the same results that we had in vitro in our proof of concept studies. In the same time frame, we're going to commence a human IBS trial using our product to show these same characteristics. They carry over from the in vitro model through to the humans, and if they do, it should be a very exciting product for the company.
And partnering, the type of company you might partner with, not wanting any names or anything like that, but just generally the style of company and how long that might take to do?
Yeah, so within 18 to 24 months, and by that time we'll have the animal data in hand. That should be completed before the end of this calendar year. And underway we'll have the human clinical studies, commencing recruitment later this calendar year. We're targeting one of the larger consumer health companies, either on the pharma side or on the consumer side, focusing on digestive health. So think of the top tier companies that sell the leading brands in the digestive health space.
Well, that's great. So there's really a lot of news coming out for Anatara over the next 2 years. That's really what's going to help keep investors interested in the story. We'll be watching the story very closely because we think it's an area, gut health is an area that's very interesting to the market at the moment, and clearly Anatara is very well placed in that area. So we might leave the conversation there. I've been joined today by Stephen Lydeamore, who's the CEO from Anatara Lifesciences.
Thank you, Scott.